Good day, good people. In today's topic, tinoda kuita mensuration. In this cluster, we are going to be discussing learning about polygons. So when we talk about a polygon, we are talking about a plane figure with straight sides. So in simple language, a polygon is just a shape, but it is made up of straight lines. So when we look at polygons, the first polygon we have to consider is the triangle. Then from the triangle, we consider quadrilaterals. We are going to explain a little about this, quadrilaterals. Then from quadrilaterals, we have different considerations. So let us first note that a triangle has 3 sides. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. So these are the 2 main polygons we are the most concerned with. Even though we are going to look sparingly at pentagons, which have 5 sides, hexagons have 6 sides, heptagons 7 sides, octagons 8 sides, nonagons 9 sides, and decagons 10 sides. Saka ndati sparingly because we are not going to focus much of our energy on this. But let us write them down, because some questions we want you to name a polygon and you have to know the particular name. So this pentagon, 5 sides. Penta means 5. You can remember it when you consider the Pentagon, which is a military building from the United States. Then the hexagon, it has 6 sides. Then we have the heptagon with 7 sides. From there we have the octagon. Remember the octopus, so it has 8 sides. The octopus having 8 tentacles. A nonagon, which has 9 sides. And lastly, a decagon, decade, 10 sides. So this is just to sum up what we are going to be looking at. The triangle. So let us start with a triangle. We have done a cluster on trigonometry where we discussed a lot of things. But pataita trigonometry. So let us just do a small revision, or just telling you what we learned in trigonometry. So pataita trigonometry, we looked at number 1, angles. Saka takatarisa kuti tinowana sei ma interior angles especially, but we can also work with exterior angles. Angles in a triangle. So kuwana ma angles, we used different apparatus. We used anonzima trig ratios, trigonometric ratios, which we usually identify by the mnemonic Chasho-Tau, and some call it SOHCAHTOA. So these are different ways of identifying trig ratios. We also looked at what is called the sine rule. Tikatarisa inonzi the cosine rule. Idzi inzira dzekuwana ma angles, but dzichishanda zvakare kuwana ma different lengths of different sides of a triangle. Then when we came to lengths, takashandisa Pythagoras theorem, which can also be called the Pythagorean theorem. Takaishandisa vochi right angled triangles. Then we used the sine rule, cosine rule, and also trig ratios. Apa tenge takuwana kana kutsvaga the different, sorry, chasho tawo, not, yeah, like this. Teta kutsvaga the different lengths on a triangle. There are certain things we now want to focus on when it comes to a triangle. Chatakuda kuchitarisa manje, it's the area. The area of a triangle. So the idea of area, just to bring up your imagination, let us say this is the triangle we have. So this is a right-angled triangle. We can also have a triangle like this. So a triangle is just a system of 3 straight lines making up a polygon or a shape. Kana tichiti area, tinenge tichitarisa mukati munomu, mandashedha. This is the area which these 2 triangles are occupying. So how are we going to calculate the areas? Area tinoicalculate say, we have 2 formulae which we use. Maformulas ari 2 atinoshandisa. We have what I want to call the classical formula. Classical in the sense ndiyo yataishandisa kubva kuprimary. Inoti kudini? Inoti half base times height. So there are different ways of writing this. Half BH, you can say half of, you can actually say BH over 2. These are just different variants or ways of writing the same thing. But irikuti half of base times height. That is the bottom line. But ichiti half of base times height, there is something we usually forget. Kuti height inorevei. Height iyo in full inenge chinzi perpendicular height. Saka inenge chinzi perpendicular height. Perpendicular zvichirevei. Kuti perpendicular zvinoreva kuti ndingangoti meeting at 90 degrees, just to write it in simple language. So if we take, for example, the 2 different types of triangles we have there, we have a right-angled triangle and just a common triangle. Kana tichiti perpendicular height, tikureva a line which meets the base of the triangle at 90 degrees. This is the perpendicular height. Then kana chiti perpendicular height for a right-angled triangle, we mean this line which is going to meet the base. Saka chinonzi base, tirikuta refer to pakagara and a triangle. Zvinoshandiswa netriangle kugara pasi. That's the base. You can imagine, stretch your imagination. But that is what we call a base. So we are not always going to have a triangle which is rightly aligned. We can expect triangles like this. Like this. And we can expect triangles like this and different orientations. What you just have to know is, this is going to be the height because this line meets this base at 90. Then panapa, this is also going to be the height because it's meeting this base at 90. So base does not necessarily refer to pakagara triangle in the sense of triangle iri rightly aligned. But base we are referring to that, what can I say? Pekuti tika draw a straight line from a certain vertex, it meets and the base at 90 degrees. Okay, let me give you another scenario, panapa. Let us say we have a triangle like this. Totangira pa this vertex, todai so. And it meets here at 90. Which one is your base? The base becomes this one. Mapaona. Saka, where we decide to place the perpendicular line, it tells us what the base is going to be. chero tikadraw what is supposed to be a right angled triangle like this, then we have a perpendicular line meeting 90 here. This will be the base. So they might want to play tricks on you panapa. You have to be able to identify chekutanga the perpendicular height. Perpendicular height ndio ichakuudzai kuti base munorwana papi. Very important stuff. This is the classical formula. We were taught this maybe starting at grade 5 and going on. What is the second formula? Saka second formula manje tinenge takufunza mfunzo wekuti, what if we are not given a perpendicular height? Find the area of this triangle. They don't give you a perpendicular height, rather they give you a theta. Saka panapa vanokupai this length A, your length B, then panapa theta. Find the area of that triangle. The area of that triangle, so area panapa, I should have written area of triangle is equal to, saka area of triangle is equal to, panapa tinoti half AB sine theta. That is the formula we use. Half AB sine theta. That is the area of that triangle when we are not given a perpendicular height as takapiwa theta. Theta E, it's an included angle. And I'm going to explain what I mean by included angle. What's happening here is, let me give you another situation to better understand this. This is a triangle. We are given three lengths A, B, C. Then panapa topiwa angle alpha. What is going to be the area of that triangle? Saka area of this triangle is going to be equal to half of AC sine alpha. What happened? Angle yatinoshandisa kana kuti angle yatakapiwa ndiyo inotiudza masides ekutora. Masides atinawo in case number 2, ABC. If you look closely, you are going to take note kuti A na C ndiwo maline ari kugadzira this angle. Kuti tive an angle, and we need two lines. We need two lines to have an angle. Saka kana tine a line rikudai so and another line rikudai, pari kusangana ma lines apa, which can be called a vertex kana ngoti a point. Ndo panogadzirwa an angle, which in this case let us call it alpha. Mapaona. Saka ma lines anogadzira angle ndiwo atinoshandisa pakutsvaga area of a triangle when we are not given the perpendicular height. You see? That is why tati AC. Kuti AC kuri kubva pakuti A na C ndizvo zviri kugadzira the angle alpha. Let us take you to a third case. That's the third case. We have a triangle and we say A, B, C. Panapa, let us say this angle is delta. What is going to be the area here? The area is going to be half of what? Kanamati BC magona, BC sine delta, and so forth. So ndo zvanga zvasarira pama triangles. Patakadzidza ma triangle, we learned about many things, but changa chasara ku understand the area. I am sure you have dealt with this classical formula for a long time. Almost everyone knows how to calculate the area of a triangle. But when it comes to this formula where we have to use the sine of theta, not many people know it. So this is new stuff to go by. Tapedza triangle. Let us now discuss quadrilaterals. So let us look at quadrilaterals. So when we talk about quadrilaterals, I want you to imagine a quad bike. So a quad bike chimutututu chine 4 mavhiri cheche. That's a quad bike. Quad zvinoreva kuti 4. Kuti quad zvinoreva kuti 4. Saka a quadrilateral tiri kutaura a shape which has 4 sides. We have a lot of different quadrilaterals, types of quadrilaterals which we have, but we are just going to discuss a few which are material to what we want to learn. Saka when we look at types of quadrilaterals, we start with the simplest and we increase the level of complexity. So the types of quadrilaterals, the simplest one is the square. That's the simplest quadrilateral. Then from the square, we want to learn about a rectangle. Then from the rectangle, what do we want to learn about? Let us start with the trapezium. Then from the trapezium, we go on to the parallelogram. Then from the parallelogram, we go on to the rhombus. Then lastly, we want to end with the kite. So in this lesson, we want to focus on these 3. And then we are going to do this parallelogram, rhombus, and kite later, because these are not as much material as the square, the rectangle, and the trapezium. So let us discuss the square. We know what a square is. We know the main properties of a square. Because the properties of these different quadrilaterals, it's going to be material. Because the way we deal with quadrilaterals is dependent on their properties. So when we talk about a square, the main property is 4 equal sides. And having 4 equal sides, it's going to benefit us. How is it going to benefit us? The benefit is, kana takutsvaga the area of a square, it's just side times side. But you are also allowed to say length times width, even though typically it's just side by side, since my sides are akafanana. Saka, let us say this side is A. This means go to the area. Saka, this is the formula, we box it. So this means go to the area is going to be equal to A times A, which is A squared. And it. The other thing we are concerned with is the perimeter. So what exactly about the perimeter? The perimeter is basically distance right around the shape. So we pick a starting position, then we pick a direction. Saka toda kutangira pa this corner, then we go round the shape like this. Saka it's basically A plus A. Saka A unoyu plus A uyu plus A uyo plus A uyo, which gives us 4A. And it. But tangachi gonna got 4 times A after all. So that is going to be the perimeter. Tapedzani the square, we looked at the area, we also looked at the perimeter. Let us now look at the rectangle. What are we going to learn about the rectangle? So if it is about the rectangle, we know that its main property, it has 2 equal opposite sides. So akakosha kuziva has 2 equal opposite sides. Saka, so far when we are discussing chekutanga, the triangle, we only looked at area. Saka, we are concerned with lengths as for now. We are also going to look at angles in this cluster mensuration, but at a later stage. So iko zvinongatimbodhilai nekutsvaga malength, that is the area and perimeter. So knowing that it has two equal opposite sides, typically this is how the shape looks. Let us say this is B and this is A. So this B side iri equal to this side, saka this is also B. Side iri equal to that side, so that's also A. We know that area is length times width. That is the area. Now, knowing that the area is length times width, tikada kungozviinterpreta panapa, area inenge iri equal to chi, our length is B, our width is A, saka it's AB. What about perimeter? Distance right round the shape. Saka ngatitangire panapa tichimove in this direction. So it's going to be A plus B plus A plus B. Then kusolve izvi, we just collect like terms, so A plus B plus B, which is equal to 2A plus 2B, like this. So that is going to be the perimeter. Vamwe vanoti you just find this length and say times 2. So maybe let me say oro perimeter is equal to, you take this length A, you multiply it by 2, plus you take this length B and multiply it by 2. Since tichiziva kuti B ino E inge equal to these opposite sides, the same applies with A. So that still gives us 2A plus 2B. That will be it. The other thing here chatanga chasirira patanga tichitarisa the perimeter of a rectangle ndechino ichi. So we had a rectangle like this. Tikati this side the length is B, kureva kuti this side is also going to be B since they are equal opposite sides. The length here is A, kureva kuti panapa is also going to be A. So perimeter, since it's just distance right round the shape, tinotsvaga a point yatinoda kutangira, which to us is this point. Then we add every length going in this direction, which is counterclockwise. Saka it's going to be B plus A plus B plus A, which when we collect like terms, it becomes A plus B plus B, which is equal to A plus A into 2A plus B into 2B. As you can see, we can factor out 2 panapa. Mu bracket redu tinenge tinani A plus B. So this is also another way of finding the perimeter of a rectangle. Kuti we add A plus B, then we multiply by 2. But I don't encourage you to do this. I encourage you to follow this traditional classical way, because with it you never go wrong. Let us now go to the trapezium. The rhombus, kite and parallelogram, we are going to deal with them later. So this is the trapezium. It's like this. What is the shape of a trapezium? The main characteristic or property of a trapezium is it has opposite, a pair, let me say a pair of opposite. There's a pair of opposite parallel lines. Saka it has a pair of opposite parallel lines in Gagadaiso, like this. Let us call this A and that B. Iri line iri really parallel to this. Kuti parallel, zvinoreva kuti never meeting. Never meeting. Okay, saka ma-lines how they never meet kureva kuti they are equidistant between themselves. The distance between A and B never changes, because if it changes, they will eventually meet. And let us imagine A achitraveler so, then B ovango ochinja slightly over it akakubenda like this. So this is B, this is A. Saka B pacharamba chienda ari straight kudai, A yodai amugona kuti zviri kuita zvichisangana. Saka kana zvichizosangana at some point, they are not parallel. Parallel lines, the distance between them, because the distance iri panapa tikaiti ndi x, taura kuti distance iri panapa ndi y, you can see kuti x is greater than y. But if we have two parallel lines like this, the distance between them should always be the same. X should always be equal to y. That's a side note. So the area of a trapezium tinoitsvaga the same way atinotsvaga the area of a triangle, but in this case we have two bases. Take this triangle. This is a triangle. Then tongoya toisa line panapa. Toisa line up tobva tadzima izvi. Zvoreva kuti tikaidraw futi ngeyadai so, tatova netrapezium. Ngona mukatora $1 mukaenda kuseri uko muchanoona kashape kakadai so kanenge kaine ka disconnect pa this. It's a pyramid from the dollar, but it's actually a trapezoid, or we can say it's a triangular prism. I think that's more appropriate. So kugadzira trapezium kudambura panapa mapaona. Saka area yacho yakafanana nearea yetriangle, asi musiyano ndewekuti tine mabase maviri. Saka tichati half times base height, half base times height. But base redu manje ndo rachinja, saka inenge equal to half of mabase redu 2, saka we just add them, a plus b, half of a plus b times height. So this is how you write it, and this is how you remember it. A trapezium, we calculate its area the same way we do a triangle, but we have two bases. So we add the bases times height. Height inoramba iri perpendicular height. Tongo draw a line. This is going to be the height. That is it. Then of course, perimeter, if you notice that a perimeter of a triangle, perimeter kuri kuti mavhunzwa is just distance right round. Kureva kuti kana apa panga paina c na d is just a plus c plus b plus d. But they don't usually ask perimeter a triangle kana kuti perimeter a trapezium. That's why we didn't look at it. Okay. Saka, going back to our original plan, kunoku, where we listed these different shapes, we did the triangle, but ngati taita half, and because tangoita ma lengths chete, ma angles acho takatomaita, so taita a whole. Quadrilaterals ndo yataita a half, because tabata just 3 from 6. Tabata a square, rectangle, trapezium, tasia kite, rhombus, parallelogram. We are going to do them. Then we have these different shapes: pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. So forget area. The moment yatinongosvika panapa ndo panowanzo kuperera area panapa. Vanogona kukufunzai a perimeter of anything, because it's just literally adding things. But kutanga panapa tichidzika, chizhinji chenge chakutaura nezvacho ma angles. Today we are not here for angles, so forget that part. Let us now do something else. Ngatitarisei panapa. What we now want to consider is this. Let us put a triangle pano. Let us put a quadrilateral, tichangoisa iri square, as a representative. Then let us put a pentagon. hexagon, blah 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 until tasvika kuseko. Saka a triangle inenge yakadai 3 sides. Quadrilateral tikurepresenta nesquare 4 sides. Pentagon, I don't know if I'm going to be able to draw a pentagon, a regular pentagon. So it's 5 sides and 1, 2, 3. Saka I need 4, 5. 4, 5. But ndiregerereyo ndangobuditsa 5 sides. I think hexagon ndinoigona. Yeah, hexagon. And tikaramba tichiwedzera masides, katiti n ndio iri kurepresenta sides. The more we increase sides, can you see kuti we are approaching a perfect circle. Saka panapa n anga arichi ari 3, n apo ari equal to 4, n panapa ari equal to 5, n apo ari equal to 6, and so forth. N kuno kutenge chitari ari not kutari equal to, but we use a different mathematical terminology. Kana tiri ku O-level ngatiti n are equal to infinity, but in actuality n anenge achiapproacha infinity, because you never arrive at infinity. Mapaona, you never arrive at infinity, you are always approaching it. Because the moment you arrive at infinity, tinongoti infinity plus, tinoti yauri kuti infinity yoyo, can we find numbers after that number? So you never arrive at infinity, you approach it. Saka as n, which is the number of sides, approaches infinity, shape yatinoramba yatiri kuswedera kwairi is circle. So mukabvunzwa kuti how many sides does a circle have? There are 2 main answers. A circle has an infinite number of sides. You can talk about it like that. Of course, there's no question in which how many sides a circle has, but it's just something to cheer you up. Or you can say a shape has no sides. Okay, let me leave it there. Saka zvatakuda kuita panapa, takuda kutarisa a circle. And this is very important. Very, very important. What do we want to look at per circle? We are going to be concerned with 2 things, area and perimeter. So we have a circle like this. Firstly, let us define the different parts of a circle. We did that partly patakaintroduce circle geometry, so we are going to treat this as a revision. So this boundary line is called a circumference, and it like that. Then we always have a center. Tikava ne a line rinenge richigura kudai so, like that. Line racho rinenge chinzi chord. Then space ino cannot area iyi inenge chinzi chi a minor segment, if you remember. Then iyo inenge yakunzi chi a major segment. Then we have lines inside, like this line is a radius. Radius line rinobva pa center richibata pa circumference, and line rinobva pa circumference ropfuura pa center richinobata pa circumference rinonzi chi diameter. Then a part of the circumference, like yandiri kushedai, this part, kana tingori neka part ke circumference kanonzi chi arc. And then we are going to talk about sector. Kana tichitaura pamusoro pe sector, usually we are referring to, we go per center and we draw a radius and another radius. Piece inoi ndo inenge chinzi chi a sector. Andika? So a segment inogadzirwa ne chord, sector inogadzirwa ne radius. Those are the different parts of a circle. Let us firstly discuss the perimeter of a circle. So again we have a circle. Kana chitsvaga perimeter ye circle, tiri kutsvaga the distance right round the circumference. Saka perimeter yeseko, perimeter of circle, dzimwe nguva vanoivhunza vachiti circumference of circle. Saka mkaona vachivhunza kuti what is the circumference of the circle, vari kuvhunza perimeter. Circumference of circle, this is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Okay. Let us discuss a little things. So perimeter of a circle, we need the circumference, we also need the radius r. Anditika? So kana chiti pi trikurevei, we have a video where we explained pi, but it's outside the syllabus. It was just joy of knowing. You can watch it. It's an hour long, so I wouldn't encourage you to watch it if you want to prepare for the exam, but it's just for joy. Kana chitaura pamusoro pe pi, we have introduced pi kuma rational and irrational numbers. You have to remember pi it can take on two different approximations. Pi inogona kunzi 22/7 or 3.14 zvichienda kumberi. Saka pi vanokuudzai, and if you look at my questions as simsec, kana zvichida kushandisa pi mukati, they will tell you kuti pi is equal to 22/7 kana kuti pi is equals to 3.14 blah blah blah. Kana vasina kukuudzai kuti pi iri equal to chi, do not convert the pi. Saka kana pakweseni yenyu pasina kuspecifyiwa kuti pi iri equal to chi, your answer should be in terms of pi. Anditi ndochekutanga. Saka I think we're going to have an example to illustrate what we are learning. Now, let us talk about, let me do this. Let us discuss about the relationship ukama sungawirirano between r, radius, and diameter d. I think this is also important. So the relationship between the radius and the diameter, yakamira so. We have a center. Tikabva pa circumference tikagumira pa center, tine radius. Tikabva pa center panapa tikanobata futi pa circumference, line iri richiramba riri straight, tine radius. But line racho rinonzi futi chi diameter. Saka a diameter d is equal to r, radius inobva pa circumference ichigumira pa center, plus r, radius inobva pa center ichigumira pa diameter, making sure kuti this ichigumira pa circumference, making sure kuti this line is straight. D is equals to r plus r, kureva kuti d is equal to chi 2r. Kureva kuti r inenge iri equal to chi d over 2 kana kuti half of d. Anditika? That's important. Saka tikadzoka kuside kunoku, kwatiri kuti perimeter is equal to 2 pi r. Tinogona kuinyora because remember the isomorphy of multiplication. Multiplication haina basa kuti wati 3 times 2 kana kuti wati 2 times 3. Order haina basa ku multiplication. Saka 2 pi r tinogona kuinyora yakati 2 r pi. But 2r, remember, is the diameter. Diameter is equals to 2 times radius. Saka ino inogona kuya yakati pi d. That's another form of the perimeter formula. Saka it's either it's 2 pi r kana kuti it's pi d, diameter times pi. Okay, let's formulate an example to help you understand. We are obviously going to look for SimSec examples and Cambridge examples, but let us say we are given a circle, we are given a radius of 2 centimeters, and twatanzi find the perimeter. Saka chedu kungoya panapa toti perimeter is equal to 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 pi times chi r and 2. Saka answer yedu inenge 4 pi. Unge vasina kutaura kuspecify kuti pi iri equal to chi, asi kana vakaspecify kuti pi is equal to 22/7, then answer yedu teta kuti 4 times 22/7, which happens to be 88/7. Then you have to simplify it, blah blah blah. Saka munongo replace pi kana maudza kuti mureplace. Vanokuudzai sei? Vanenge vakaspecify pa question kuti pi iri equal to chi. The reason why musingagoni kungo replace pi na 22/7, 22/7 is an approximation. Haiziyo value ya pi, asi value iri padhuze na pi. 3.14 blah 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 is the actual value of pi, but if you study the magnificence of the constant pi, you are going to see that it never repeats and stuff. Saka please do not replace pi kana musina kuudzwa explicitly in the question. Vanokuudzai say, they tell you with pi anenge equal to chi. Anditi? Okay. Saka that's the perimeter or the circumference of a circle. Let us come to the area of a circle. How do we get the area of a circle? Kana tichitaura area ye circle, what are we going to use? Area of a circle, saka irikureva kuti circle, kana ngatingoti area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. This is the formula, pi r squared. Perimeter is 2 pi r, area is pi r squared. But since andika d is equal to 2r, remember, kureva kuti tikadivide both sides na 2r inenge equal to d over 2, like this, we can rephrase the area of a circle as g is pi d over 2 squared, which is equal to pi d squared over 4. But as you can see, this is unnecessary. Kungozvomeserawo. Saka chero makapiwa diameter, munongotora half ye diameter yacho. And vanogona kuya vakakupa diameter. Like panapa. Kuri kuti vanga vaya vakakupa diameter and diameter 4. Kuti muzive kuti radius ndeyani, munongoti d is equals to 4. Then moziva imimi kuti d is also equal to 2r. Saka muka replace d uyu na 2r. 2r is equals to 4. Multiply both sides like this. Muchangoona kuti r inenge equal to 2. Saka munongotora half of that diameter mobva maisa mu formula for perimeter 2 pi r, for area pi r squared. Because mogona kuita mistake motadza kuapply ma laws of indices zvakanaka panapa, where we said kana tichitora the square of a fraction, both the numerator and denominator should be squared. That's why azobuda iri pi d squared over 4. That is the area. So what do we need for the area? We need the radius or the diameter, depending with vakupai chi. That's all we need. Ma formulas aya kutomaziva. Kana musingamazivi, you lose a lot of marks unnecessarily. Okay. There's the last part we want to discuss today. Sector of a circle, which tikada kunakirwa yedu, this is just the piece of the cake. The piece of the cake. Saka vanoziva makeke isu vamwe tinosangana naro paChristmas chete. Saka this is the cake, and that's the shape. It's a circle. Remember tati sector tunayowana kupi? So we have our cake, we have our circle. But before we go there, let me discuss something. There's a common confusion which I want to address, which is sector versus segment. Saka tanga tambotaura nezvayo. Saka chinonzi segment The segment of a circle inogadzirwa nechord pamwe chete nearc. Saka we have this piece which is the chord and then this boundary which is the arc. Inoi arc inge chinzi a minor arc and arc iri kune rimwe side is a major arc, if you remember from our circle geometry. Whereas kana chitaura pamusoro pesector, a sector inogadzirwa ne2 maradius plus arc. Saka inogadzirwa ne2 radii plus this arc. Saka take a sector to be more like a cake piece. Saka tikutaura pamusoro pecake kana kuti pizza slice. You can also imagine it like that. Ansanambona munhu anocheka keke so kuti ari ku keke redu oya otasinga uruda kucheka hafu kudai so. No, kana ticheka makeke edu, we slice, then we take this piece. Piece iyi ndo inenge chinzi sector. Saka from now on, when you go into Pizza Inn and you want to treat yourself to some nice pizza, know that it's a sector and which you are eating. Then I don't know kana tine chinhu chiri like chiri a secular chatino cheka ma piece in this way. I do not know. Saka I topic mchaita futi ku A level, but ku A level inenge yani rimwe zita, inenge yakunzi secular measure. We are not going to discuss much about my formulas ku A level, but you should know kuti the difference is just ku A level kunoshandiswa ma radians, ku O level kunoshandiswa ma degrees. That's the difference. Let us get back to business. We have the piece of the cake or the pizza slice. This is our sector. Saka sector redu rakagadzirwa ne2 maradius like this and this piece of the arc. Chamunofanirwa kuziva chekutanga, muchabvunzwa area of a sector, muchabvunzwa perimeter of a sector, muchabvunzwa netumwe tunhu tunowedzera mukati area of segment. I'm going to teach you all of it. So area of sector, what is it equal to? I want you to acknowledge that is a piece of a cake, because kana mchibvunzwa area vanenge vakakupai angle iri panapa theta. So it's a piece. But PC, how are we going to define it? Tichati it's theta over 360. That's the piece. So whenever you want to find the area or perimeter of a sector, you have to be able to identify your piece. Piece yangu yakamira sei. Saka piece yacho it's theta ingo yamapiwa over 360. That's the piece. Intuitively it should make sense. Then you multiply that piece times the area of a circle yatunoziva mazuva ese, pi r squared. This is the area of a sector. Yatopera. And should make intuitive sense. Okay. You should know that this is a radius. This is also a radius. Very important. What about perimeter of a sector? It equal to chi. Saka perimeter of a sector is a bit tricky, but I'm going to show you. Chekutanga, we define the sector theta over 360 degrees, panapa mamchikono degrees, and it. Then we multiply it. What is the perimeter of a circle yatinoziva yakudhara? 2 pi r. But hazvigumira apo. And the reason why zvisingagumiri ipapo, panapa tinenge tangotsvaga kaperimeter kanaka. Murikuzviona akaka. Ndokeka katenge tatsvaga. Kana tikati theta over 360 times 2 pi r, tangotsvaga kaperimeter ako. Kureva kuti kana tichida kutsvaga perimeter the whole sector, tinenge takuti plus r, which is plus 2r. Satita kuti plus r plus r. Tatsvaga this part plus r plus r. This is the perimeter of a sector. but iyi vanoibvunza as a trick question. Chavanowanzokubvunza vanenge vachibvunza yavanoti length of arc kana kuti arc length, however they put it. So the length of the arc ndiyo iri equal to theta over 360 we define the sector times 2 pi r. Iyi andaisa in red because remember kuti part of a circumference inonzi arc. Saka iyi andaisa mured ndiyo inenge ichinzi length of the arc, ndiyo inongotsvagwa nekuti chi theta times 2 pi r. I hope I'm making intuitive sense. Kana zvisinganzwisisiki, please don't hesitate to tell me. Okay. Saka these are the main things, but area of sector ne length of arc ndo zvinowanzofunzwa. Inoyi inowanzokuya as a tricky question. Okay. Asatapedza, takutopedza. Let us say for another circle, cake, pizza, let us say pizza this time. Our pizza slice, a sector, then it's r panapa, angle theta. Then manje, we put a chord panapa like this. They can do this. Put a chord. Then wokufunza yekuti what is the area of segment? Yeah. They can be wicked, these people. And segment iri kufunzwa ndeiyi andashedai. Saka aya manje anenge ama applying questions. So generally speaking, area of segment andashedai, it's going to be equal to area of sector and it subtracting area of triangle. And let me try to make it make sense. Area of sector kureva sector yese ishi anditika. Saka tikawana area of sector to subtracta area yeka triangle kanaka. Zviri kumeka sense here kuti tinosara nepakashedewa apa. Saka tashandisa the method of elimination. Tatsvaka area ye sector yese to subtracta area ye triangle. Tinongosara ne area ye segment iri kudiwa. Saka area of sector, we define the sector theta over 360 degrees times then area ye sector yes, remember, saka it's just times pi r squared like this, to some brackets dot minus area of triangle tapiwa theta hatina kupiwa perpendicular height. So remember from kwatatangira lesson half AB sine theta, but panapa let us simplify it a little. So this is to some brackets minus half of a na b ndi r na r because ndo maline ari kugadzira angle, saka it's just r times r which is chi r squared, so half r squared sine theta. And I will leave it like this. You can simplify this to be simpler, but I don't do that. Some books do, I don't, because and sikuda kuti musoro menyu mpinde mafomula yakawanda mufana ngoziva kuti zvinowanikwa sei. Saka iro ndo formula rinoshanda pakutsvaka the area of segment. Musavhundutswa naro, musavatya. Vaijipita vamuri kuona nhasi muchazombofa makavaona futi. Saka musavhundutswa naro, nzwisisai kuti rinowanikwa sei intuitively. Mukanzwisisa kuti intuitively zvikameka sense kwamuri, you can formulate it anywhere, anytime. Okay. Then the other thing they do is vanoti mutsvage the length of the chord. So let me keep this kuti muone zvandokureva. Saka it's like this. Our center, our theta, our two radiuses toisa chord. Over vatitsvaga length of chord. Saka chord yacho ndeiyi kai. And it length of chord. Saka length of chord inenge iri equal to chi. Kuti muwane length of this chord, you can use the cosine rule. So you have to understand and remember the cosine rule. Saka let us just put it aside for remembrance. Takadzidza cosine rule tikati a B, B, C, C. Tikati kana chida kuwana C, tichida wana this C toti chi C squared is equals to chi A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos of chi of C. You remember? And saka tinge tichida kuwana C itine angle iri panapa which is angle C. Saka this is the formula. Kana takuya apply panapa tinge takuti let us say kuti code yacho it's going to be C. Saka teta kuti C squared is equal to R squared, which is A squared plus R squared minus 2 times R cos theta. So this is equal to C squared is 2R squared minus 2R squared cos theta. Don't be tempted to subtract as it as a subtract because this is 2R squared cos theta. Saka panapa chanangango kusira chekuti you use the cosine rule anyhow. Saka munoshandisa cosine rule masivira munoita cosine rule like that. Saka these are the trick questions they use, but let us say they tell you find the yangu wao yemusoro mangu. Daenda seta simseki ndo zvimwe zvinhu zvandaiputitsa vanhu nazvo izvi. Ndaingoti find the perimeter of segment. Saka perimeter of segment ndenchirevei R like this. Saka perimeter of segment inenge iri inoi like this arc perimeter, remember. Saka you just have to find the length of arc. Saka panapa inenge ingori arc length plus then this chord length. But aitwa zviuizvi handisana question yakadai, kungoimaginawo kwangu. Saka I'm not going to elaborate it, otherwise you might be in shock. Yeah. So this is an introductory lesson to mensuration. Tabata triangle, tikabata ma quadrilaterals are common, tikabata circle. We are going to come back talking about angles and other interesting and fascinating stuff. But panapa with tabata the crux. As you can see, this lesson was introductory and summarizing. We didn't do a lot of questions, practice questions. It's your honors to look for practice questions, especially SimSec or Cambridge related, and practice this lesson. Thank you and have a nice one. But before you go, we might have people who are interested in learning with us. They want extra lessons. They get to us on these 2 numbers on WhatsApp. And we can see how we can help each other. Thank you, and I wish you the best when you write your finals.